The managerial function and corporate social responsibility are essential elements for understanding the current management of organizations, as they allow for the coordination of people, resources, and objectives in a competitive environment. In this sense, management is not limited to planning, organizing, and controlling, but must also guide teams through shared values, innovation, and ethical human resource management. Likewise, today's companies face environmental challenges such as globalization, digital transformation, the growth of the nonprofit sector, and work-life balance, which demand flexible, technologically advanced management that is sensitive to new social demands. Furthermore, organizational challenges involve adapting the structure, strengthening the corporate culture, and incorporating technology to improve productivity and competitiveness. On the other hand, individual challenges are related to productivity, job insecurity, empowerment, and business ethics. Consequently, the managerial function must foster participation, commitment, and the development of individuals, integrating social responsibility as a guiding principle. Therefore, effective management involves combining efficiency, human well-being, and commitment to the environment,